Hi all, welcome to new video Horilla development series. In this video, we are going to see how we can configure the Horilla tab view. Tab view. So in the previous episode, we are to see how we can configure the Horilla list view and Horilla card view. So using the Horilla tab view, how we can let's see how we can map the different to these two different views. So for that, uh, inside the VS Code, let's clear all this and let's open the Horilla tab view available inside the generic views. Horilla tab view, yeah, inside the generic CPU views. From here, you can see it will take view ID, the template name, and the tabs. Okay, so we're coming back to the custom shift request view. Custom. Oh, okay, I forgot to find. Mm, inside inside the custom map, here's the CBV folder. Here's the shift request. Yeah. So yeah, first let's import the Horilla tab view from the generic CPUs, comma Horilla tab view. Yeah. Okay. Now let's create a child for the Horilla tab view, like class request tab. Yeah. And inherit the child right over here, and just put a colon and provide a proc stream. Just put a shift request tab for now. Okay. Then we can check it inside the Horilla tab template, control E, Horilla tabs. Yeah, so generic template theme. Yeah, can split. Okay. Then the tabs. Okay, here you can see the tabs. Is okay when you check the Horilla tab view. Here is a variable called tabs. It accepts a list of here's list, but it's a list of dictionary items. So using that, let's just configure the tabs. Mm, okay, tabs. Is the tab exist? No, that's not the right one. It's this tab. Okay, it will take. Yeah. Then we have some title over here. Just check. Tab. Okay. Yeah. Here's the title. Yeah. So let's map that for tabs. So the tabs is a list. Inside that, list of dictionary items. Then first one is the key is title. The title we can provide shift cards, shift list, shift list. Then the URL. Let's check the key. Yeah, it's the URL. And the URL will be reverse lazy. And let's check the URLs inside the custom app. Um, custom. Okay, is the name for the custom employee list. Let's use that. Okay. Also, we have make to insert self insert the int method because we are using the URL from the same app. So if init is push, yeah, self dot tabs. Okay, let's format it. Then the next, yeah, let's check for the next item. The first one take title and second one is URL. Then let's search for tab dot. Okay, badge label. The items, there will be having some indication for the total records available for the tab view. Let's use like a card. So list items. List items. Then then the actions. Actions is optional. If any actions, you can provide the action. For now, let's keep it simple like this. Then I will cover the tab action for the next video. Then let's close this. Oh, I made a mistake. Yeah, let's put a comma over here. Now let's save and restart the server. So let's check everything is work right. Going to the HR application. Yeah, refreshing up. Oh, I didn't map this tab view for a URL. So let's map a URL. Inside the URL.py, I'm going to create a new URL like path Horilla. Sorry, not Horilla. Request card. Just put custom as a prefix for now. Then from the shift request dot it's not card, it's tab. Let's put tab shift request tab dot as view. Then provide name. Let's provide the custom shift tab. Let's put shift tab for now. Okay, now let's call this URL inside the uh yeah, the template, the level template. No, not the level template. Yeah, here's the custom shift request template. So this is the main template where we extend the index and sidebar, and inside that we are showing the employee card view. Now in the last videos we see the list, and later we see the card. Now let's comment this for now, and first make it duplicate, and okay, use for the tab custom shift tab. Use that's just over here, and it will load on the first row. Now let's refresh it inside the this section. You can see now. Okay, let's check what is happening here. Inspect. Control 60 here. Hmm. Let's take the URL that the request is going. With the HSKit. Yeah, here's the custom shift, custom employee list. The wrong one. Custom shifted tab. Let's check using different URL name. CBA. And provide it over here. Refresh. Wait for the server to restart. We can see this will need to load this shift request tab template from there for each card title. we having this information. Let's refresh. Okay, for the card, let's check the code reset. Maybe the same. Okay, it will be correct. Okay, we have to check the code reset available inside the shift request. Is there anything there? Okay, let's check this. Get code reset. Make it to self dot code reset equal to return self dot code reset. Let's filter out the on records for now. Filter uh, employee ID underscore user employee user ID is equal to self dot request dot user. I will restart the server. Okay. Yeah. Refresh. No. Let's put some print and debug what is happening. Custom. Yeah. This request is correct. Custom shift tab. Custom employee list. Custom employee list. Where's the URL? Custom URL. Okay. There's the custom shift list template. Then okay. Here is calling the custom employee list. The wrong URL. Yeah. So I have called the wrong URL inside the custom shift list uh, tab section. Actually, I want to load this one, custom shift list. Instead of that, I just called this the top one, custom employee list. Let's replace this. Okay, yeah. Now let's change the name to previous one tab. Also, it's inside the template. Here's a template, wrong template. Yeah, here's a template. From there, just remove the URL name. Now, yeah, the server is restarted. Let's refresh. Okay, is 0 because we are overridden the get reset method. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, and there is no record for other device. Let's remove this and save this. Yeah, server is restarting. Let's refresh now. Okay, now the records is showing for the listing. Okay, it's all working as expected. Okay, now let's map the card view for second tab. For that, similarly, in like the shift list, duplicate it and paste it. Now, if sorry, now inside the title, let's provide title as shift card, and the URL will be shift card, and provide the badge as card items. Okay, so restarted. Let's restart again. Okay, then refresh. Starts the server. Okay. Okay, now let's restart again. Here you can see the shift card and shift list. So that's how you configure the Horilla Tab View. Here is the tab. Okay, here is the badge count is, badge label is showing like 5 list item and 0 card item is something. We have some bugs that I have to check later on this video. So basically we expect 5 over here. So this is the Horilla card view. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments.